This car has 1,577 miles on it. This is the second attempt for these people to try to fix this car. If you'll see, they put new carpet in the passenger front floor. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and you tell me if you can see anything wrong with this picture. Now there's the old carpet that they put back in the car and told me my car was fixed to come and get it. I told them no way. So they ordered new carpet, but it was supposed to be new carpet for the entire car. That's what I believe they agreed to. Okay, the carpet padding or the sound reduction padding underneath that box, I told them it had to be removed and replaced. They didn't do that. So I want to go back to the beginning. I was driving home and we discovered there was water on the floor of the passenger side. When I got home, it was late, so in the morning I started to vacuum the water out of the car. The more I vacuumed, the more water came out of the car. The water wasn't on top of the carpet, it was underneath the carpet. So because the carpet is waterproof, the water didn't come back up through the carpet for a while until it was really soaked. That tray was full of water. I vacuumed a half a gallon of water off of that car. And then the car sat for a week before they towed it to the shop. And during that week, I vacuumed as the car sat. Water ran out of the frame, out of the unibody, would condense, collect, and I vacuumed another quart of water off the floor before they ever worked on the car. I realized if you haven't seen my earlier video, you won't know what I'm talking about. At the factory in Mexico, they didn't hook up the air conditioner Evap hose on the inside under the dashboard on the firewall. It wasn't connected. And it's obvious they have a problem with that because I'm not the only one complaining about this online. In this photo, you can see that that matting is still wet. In fact, there's no way it could have dried out. I'm the guy who took the carpet out of the front. The carpet was out of the front when the tow truck took it away. I just kept pulling it up and vacuuming and vacuuming. And I just kept getting more water. So eventually I took the carpet out. So then they hooked up the broken air conditioner drain hose, and then they put the old carpet back in, and they texted me and told me my car was ready. I said, no way. So this is the second attempt to try to fix my car. So the carpet that they took out and replaced, I had taken it out of the car and dried it. I had a heater blowing on it for days. I vacuumed it many times. It was dry when they got the carpet. It was in the back of the car, just sitting in the back of the car. But they fixed the hose, and then they took that carpet and put it back in. And they put it on top of that black box. The water runs through the unibody, through those little holes. My concern is that the wires have been damaged. The wires that are on the floor, all of the wires that are underneath that black box there. I believe they did a really crummy job and they should take better pride in their work. I believe they're dishonest. What do you think? Comment down below. Here they are putting brand new carpet over top of that wet padding. He's really proud. He's showing me how he finished the job. He's closing that up. He's putting brand new carpet over top of that wet padding. I'll be updating my situation, so keep watching. This is the Saga of the 2025 Equinox EV. What a piece of crap.